That is it. My side over TikTok, if you know over here so and watch me, I don't know. Put a like on the video, subscribe if you not subscribe and you don't know. Heart of love, you hear that? Support me over TikTok, support me over here so too. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, man, I know, man, you know what I say, star live. I say River Stream. You know a thing go out nice.
Yeah, man, it is.
2022, I come big.
Cool,
River
man.
Stream TV.
Stream TV. You know, God bless people from
River Stream TV.
Yeah.
River Stream TV.
Yeah.
You don't know how we say play, man.
River Stream TV, the big TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, man. Hey,
Subscribe and click the bell, you know?
Yeah, is it, man?
Right, for the notification.
Yes, is it?
Yeah, man. No,
Cool,
talk
man,
about
Jay.
it.
Big up,
River
Jay.
Stream.
Every
Right,
time. Cool,
Right,
man.
yeah, man. Right, through like
Nice.
that. River Stream.
Yes,
You know,
man?
so we have to watch it on TV and it ever clean. Right, through like night, Joe.
Okay. Alright. Yes, guys, I don't know. I'm boy River Stream and we're back again with the next video on YouTube. Yeah, you know, say a long time you know see me, but we come again. We still work on YouTube, but you don't know we're on TikTok and every day I'm on the beach in Port Antonio. Yeah. And you don't know we're go jerk some chicken, man. Neely's Adventures TV. Yeah, you can go on YouTube or you can go give me a follow and on TikTok. You don't know. So respect, we're gonna jerk some chicken and we're gonna see it and at the same time we're gonna go live. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we don't know. Yeah, we have the meat them chicken. Yeah, we have some nice chicken and go beef. You understand? On the jerk pan. See jerk pan there, show them the jerk pan. Nice meat jerk pan, you see it? Yeah, jerk pan they active. Well active. Never see it in action, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Everything clean up, you know, so throw off the water. Alright guys, so we're going to season them up, you know. And you don't know. Yeah, we're going to start catch the fire and you don't know we're going to start jerk. You understand? So look where I go on. We have the Maggie jerk season. Put that picture out. Maggie jerk season. And we have the all-purpose. And we have the chicken season. So we'll go ahead and chew on them upon it right now. And guys, sorry about the noise in the background. And if you can't hear me so good, sorry about that. Maybe I have to go get a nicer audio. But I chew on the jerk, you know. That is it. Alright. We chew on the all-purpose now. Brighter. Which side bright? Alright guys, this is the all-purpose, you don't know. Now I throw the whole of that on it. Chew on some chicken seasoning now and I made that. Then we just rub up this. Start catch fire. And you don't know, I start chew on chicken. Because we have ketchup and pepper already, so we don't have to worry about no whole heap of sauce. Alright guys, so that is it. Push it down pan. That is it. And you don't know, we'll start rub it up, you know, and wash off my hand first. Alright guys. Rub enough time, you know. Rub it in the night, make it go straight into the meat, you know. Yeah. That is it. My side over TikTok, if you know over here so and watch me, I don't know. put a like on the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed and you don't know. Heart of love, you hear that? Support me over TikTok, support me over Yasa too. Big up on yourself. Yeah, alright, so you don't know, this don't season up. What we are going to do now, put it on my face. What we are going to do now, we are going to catch the fire and you don't know, heart of love. Alright guys, you don't know, see there? Yeah, we'll have the fire. Fire. Them as you can see, up so we have the chicken them. Yeah. Hold on, let me see if I can pull it into next to see there. That is it. So you don't know say we're gonna start cooking now, is it? Yeah. At what time of day you know? At 2:52, you know guys. In the evening in Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica, you see that? Yeah. So you don't know.
Subscribe, you know. That is it.
That is it. And then down turn them. Fire kind of out down if you don't know. So it look juicy and nice and not ready yet. Yeah. I jerk some chicken on the beach side as you can see. And you don't know where Nelly Adventures TV there. Yeah, see that? Yeah, we are jerk the chicken then. We're there on TikTok too. Also. Yeah, and we are do a YouTube video. So everybody over TikTok will come over here and come support we, watch we video them, like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, and when you don't know, big up on yourself and see the chicken them. Yeah, so when you don't know, stay tuned and we're there. Yeah, I do the right thing. Heart of love. If I turn the camera, I can see me good. So see my face there. Yeah. And you don't know we're there and the chicken them soon don't jerk. As when we show now we're there, all the vibes and things, I listen to some music. See the table there right there, so. Yeah, and the beautiful beach in Port Antonio. Don't know. Thanks for watching. Yeah, and bless up on yourself. Keep on yourself safe. Yeah. Alright guys, so you don't know. But I take out the chicken them now. You know, the sun kind of shine on one side, but you don't know. Yeah, see the chicken there. TikTok, see the chicken there. Yeah, so it look nice. Yeah. You see what I talk about? See brightness side now, go. Yes guys, so that is it. So we are going to deal with this now. And you don't know what time now. 4:30 on the dot. So you don't know in Jamaica we done 4:30 and we are going to eat the food you know and just you know call it a day and we are going to edit the video and you are going to see the video. So stay tuned for you don't know, see we are eat the food, big up yourself. Heart of love. And do remember guys, subscribe and like the video. Worse if you reach so far. Like the video, subscribe and respect, alright? Bless you.
You see their chicken, yeah?
Yes guys, so you don't know, that is it. Put it down on the chicken again. See that? Yes, so you don't know, we done jerk the chicken and we're going to eat the food, you know. So you know, big up on yourself and stay tuned. The sun hot as you can see, I'm there sweat. Yeah. So we are putting in the work and bless up on yourself again. Yeah, and this is on almost reach the end of the video. From the reach, I say, is it? So big up on yourself and heart of love. And watch me I go eat my food, you know, is it? Heart of love, you don't know me there I eat my food. And the food tastes very nice. The food is so nice, you understand? Show me. Yeah, hold it from me. Hold it from me. Yeah, the food is so nice. You see, like? So nice. Really hard man style jerk chicken. You understand? Yeah, so if you're overseas, yeah, and you want to know what this tastes like, link me up. That is it. And we're up on TikTok, same way you don't know. I do a thing, you know, so we are putting the work hard, you know. We're not sit down and loaf. You understand me? Yeah, so big up on yourself, heart of love. Yeah, so I'm going to eat my food, you know. And maybe you know, see me eat up the whole like we're going to end the video soon and I don't know, we're going to pack up the thing them and move, you see it? So big up on yourself and respect for watching the video. Yeah, and thanks. Yeah, for stay so long on the video. And like, remember again, like, share and subscribe, alright? Yeah, enough love.